'Cause I feel so stupid for falling for you. I should've listened to my friends when they told me not to. They said you're nothing but a one-night stand, trip to Candyland. If you get too close, then you might understand. But now my heart's on my sleeve and I'm in too deep. But you're not thinking twice about me. I wrote a message in my notes that I'm never gonna send to you, saying how I feel if you only knew. But your parents came in the cul-de-sac, leaned back in a leather clad seat, pack of spirits in your Prada bag.
Hello guys, so it's currently, the time is 3:17. Nag-aantay pa rin kami ng sasakyan. Kasi si kuya, yung drop off is sa South Mall. Inuna niya puntahan yung drop off kaysa sa pick up guys. Nantok na ako. Bye! So hello guys, so nakasakay na kami ng sasakyan. And nagawin na sa South Mall. It's raining. So may birthday today. Goodbye. Goodbye.
Suburban summer 17 was a roller coaster ride, a manic pixie dream girl right beside me. And she said she liked me, but I bet it was a right thing lining up at the wrong time. And I think maybe if I'd held on tight, she'd still be sitting by my side. I'll never know, I'll never know. I don't like that.
Hello, so sa South Mall.
With regrets, but I doubt you ever leave my head. What could I have done? Could I have said I'm never?
Hello, so bigyan na
No, I'll never know. Oh, I'll never know. I'll never know. We were nothing alike, and I kinda like that. Came from different sides of the crosstown tracks. Guess it's true sometimes opposites attract, but it never lasts. So maybe it was just the right thing lining up at the wrong time. And I think maybe if I'd held on tight, she'd still be sitting by my side. I'll never know, I'll never know. I don't like messing with regrets, but I doubt you ever leave my head. What could I have done? Could I have said I'll never know, I'll never know.
Buhay ko'y biglang nagbago, ako'y nagtataka. Hindi naman natin maaaring natin sana. Dalawang puso ko, hindi na sana nalito, hindi na sana kailangan pumili sa inyo. Sana nga nila di maaaring mapantay pag-ibig sa dalawa. Kaya tanong ko lagi ay bakit nga kaya isang puso natin di naman natin maaaring hatiin sana. Dalawang puso ko hindi ka sana kailangan. smile. You can never be too happy in this life. There's a world where everybody needs a happy ending story. It's a wonder love can make the world go round. But don't let it bring you down. Turn your face into a frown. You'll get along with a little prayer and a song. You're on the phone with your girlfriend. She's upset. She's going off about something that you said. She doesn't get your humor like I do. I'm in the room, it's a typical Tuesday night. Listening to guy message and doesn't lie. She'll never know your story like I do. But she wears short skirts, I'll wear t-shirts. She's cheer captain and I'm in the winters. Dreaming about the day when you wake up and find that's what you're looking for. As a here the whole time, if you could see that I'm the one who understands you. Being here all alone, so why can't you see? You belong with me. You belong with me.
So where are we going now? We're going to Surats. Hello guys, so we're now at San Bukidnon. Look guys. So may marshmallow doon. And that's my target. Kasi may chocolate yun. Ididip mo sa chocolate. That's what I like. So pupuntahan natin yun guys. Ate Maymay is so busy. You know guys, I have chika later. Basta later, I have chika. What are you doing girl? Are you going home na? So let's go. Can you go with me there? Sa may
Gawin natin lahat isa lang para matry natin.
lahat ng drinks. Sabi mo. So, it's just the two of us and we're very thankful for our sponsor. Like, our sponsor. Family. Okay? Thank you. Inaantay namin. Tapos, walang pupunta dito sa ano namin. Alam mo yung kung ano nilagay? Yung bean. Ay, daldal ko na naman. I'm the yapper and Dati Meme is always the listener. Kasi idol niya ako, guys. Like, wala siya talagang masabi. Tingnan mo, speechless na naman siya. Ay, nakakaya. Ano yan? Pakita mo sa camera. What's that? Pagkain. Focus. What's that? Ano yung nasa ibabaw? Ha? Panya? Kita mo. I don't know. Sa sinig. Fish? Tuna. Rate natin. Mag-ano tayo? Rate tayo. Rate natin to. Kung saan. Parang leftover. Bawal leftover, guys. Ang leftover sa 110. Iiwanan ko na sa atin may dito. Ang kunin ko lang na. So, ayun. Papalisin na kami dito. Anyways. Thank you to our family.
yung nakuha mo?
Ano? I think, that.
Sa akin?
Tatlo. Tatlo ata.
Tatlo na lang. Okay, parang sa umay na ako sa mako.
No, I want more maki pa.
Please try the mako.
May cheese.
Hindi ko alam anong name niya.
Parang malungkot pala pag dalawa. Ay. Hello sa sister ko kung napapanood mo to sa malungkot kami ngayon.
Parang ako ang kapaka.
Diba nakatipag-run guys. So hindi ko nag-videohan. Or ikaw kukuha at videohan. Videohan ko siya. Tinanong pa. Okay. Bye. Ano po yan, ma'am?
Isang order ko.
Isang order lang po. Ay, grabe naman. Ang dami lang. Nag-buffet pa makakuha ng ganyang karami. So, ito na yung marshmallow da, pinaka-yung type. So, kukuha ka lang. Got our marshmallow na. Ayun, yung kabocha. Yung Eddie Pampura. Yan lang. Dalawa lang. Tara na. Tapos kuha tayo ng inumin. Timay. Hello guys, so we're back and meron na kami food. So we got marshmallow. Okay, try ko yung Albert?
Bano? Ito ba sila parang try mo to? Ayun na lang. Ma'am? Saan mo yan? Spinach? Hindi mo pwede. Garlic ata ko. Parang parmesan. Ayaw. Kunti lang ano siya dito. Parang ako naka 1,000 tayo. Worth 1,000. Kaya nga yung base. Ay bakit malakas? Kaya nga yung base.
i-rate natin. Ano yung masarap? Si Bea Boris. Dali ka, di ba? So far, ano yung pinaka-nagustuhan mo na California Cafe? Yeah, rito. Kasi yung yung tongkang, parang hindi masyado. May watermelon. Paala ako ng okay. Ako ng watermelon. Wow, lakas. Pati dito umabot ng mga utos niya, guys. Guys, kasi may rules si mama sa bahay kanina. Birthday niya at may hindi siya utusan. Sarap no? Pero bakit parang ganda dito? So, now it's the time for, time for the cooking show. Ano? Namatay? Wala, namatay ito. Namatay. So, guys, Ate Maymay is trying to cook the, porks, but there's no fire. Excuse po. Cock and the camera that are basta yung may apoy hindi gumagana. Ayan na. Magtawag to. So after 2 attempts, ayan na. Sumakses na siya, guys. Can you show them kung ano yung ilulutuin mo? Your eyes look sad. Me too. Oh no! Very not working. Ano ulit? How old are you now? 12 years old. That's fun. So I got this one. And I like the kimchi. Pero hindi ko pa natutry talaga.
I'll be the boy playing the boombox by your window, babe. I'll be the girl wearing a shirt out in the pouring rain. This ain't a rom-com, this is real life. Let me show you, babe. Don't need to play no games. So why don't you say I quit being overthinking about it?
I have ice cream. Last na natin ito? No. Yeah. Ako nandito pa ako sa California. Wow. Dami yan. Spirit of Biglas. So, what can you say about the place? Walang makakatagal ko pala. Pero masarap yung mga I like the ramen. Dito sa batch na to, yung ramen pinaka-gusto. May ramen pa naman sila. Pinapakita namin yung pa-birthday. Ikaw yung mag-ano yan. Malapit kasi na sila